Okay guys, we're back on the next day, the pour day, and we're pouring the steps here. As you see it, um, it looks like the wire tying to the nails, they're holding pretty good as it breaks, and I like this idea pretty good. And look at this job, looks much more cleaner instead of having the stakes or 2x4 holding it on the middle. But yeah, we're pouring this morning, and I like it. I hope you guys enjoyed the first video and this second video. And we're still pouring this here around shore with heavy yard, and got guys coming with the concrete. But yeah, this is the steps, the way they look, and I think they're pretty simple and easy to build. I will post the third video and see how the steps will look when they're done and a strip. Enjoy the video, subscribe and like. Thank you, have a good day.